Your brain is a processor, not a hard drive. When you try to store every task, every what if, and every worry in your active memory, your system latency spikes. You aren't lazy, you're just out of RAM. This is protocol LP-04, the mind dump. I failed at journaling for years because I thought I had to be a poet. Subject Alpha doesn't need a memoir, it needs a diagnostic report. We don't write to feel, we write to offload the data so the hardware can run at 100% tomorrow morning. We use 3 clinical prompts to empty the cache. 1. The drag. What is the single biggest point of friction in your head right now? Name it. Write it. Kill the loop. 2. The work. What did the system actually achieve today? We log the output to verify the protocol is working. 3. The objective. What is the very first move for tomorrow? We decide now, so we don't waste battery power deciding at 6 a.m. Finally, we audit the hardware. A scale of 1 to 10. No lying. If you missed the gym or your sleep was trash, the data must reflect it. You cannot optimize a system if you feed it corrupted data. Once the pen hits the paper, the day is over. The RAM is clear. The system enters the landing. This is how we own the night to win the morning. Protocol LP-04 is active. Get it out of your head. Put it on the page. Execute.